Once upon a time, when animals lived together as one kingdom, caring for each other as a community, a great famine struck the land. The famine lasted for a long time, and as the third season approached, all the food they had stored was gone. The drought was so severe that the rains refused to fall. The earth cracked under the blazing sun, and the rivers dried to dust. The trees no longer had leaves, and their fruits were all gone. Hunger spread through the kingdom like wildfire. The animals were dying in great numbers, and all their prayers, all their sacrifices to the gods, could not turn things around. After much thought, the lion, king of the animals, summoned all creatures beneath the great Iroko tree. From the tiny ant to the mighty elephant, all gathered. Tired, hungry, weary, their furs had become scanty and dull. Their ribs pressed against their thin skin. Even the nobles among them, like the elephant and the dog, could not stand tall. The lion's voice thundered, "Brothers and sisters,